we looked at his hot water heater as well. He had a rental hot water heater, and he said, well, you know, while you guys are already here working, what about if we get rid of that old rental hot water heater? Still, it's costing us quite a bit per month, and I'd like to just own it outright. I said, all right, I'll put that into the quote as well, which I did. Took care of pretty much everything that we could do for him. We spent time talking about the town that he's living in, where I used to live, and we knew a lot of the same places. And one of the restaurants we talked about, which unfortunately the owner had died a little while ago, it was such a great place to eat. So when I was leaving, I thanked him very much for his time. I promised that by the time he got home, the quote would be in his email. This morning I followed up because he had a couple of questions about the energy rebate, and I wasn't 100% sure what the amount that you get back because of a few of the unique situations that he has to deal with there. But I checked on that first thing this morning. I got the answer back to him in an email, and also any of the other questions he had I was able to answer. He replied back to my email within about 45 minutes. And he said, yeah, everything's good. Let's go ahead and get that ordered. So I told him what his next steps were, and then we'll be able to schedule it and get it all taken care of. So in the end, Paul and his wife, they went ahead and ordered everything, including the hot water heater. The main reasons were it covered exactly what he needed to do. He wanted to be able to turn the system on remotely, so get the house up to temperature, whether it's summer or winter, either heating or cooling, so that the place is more comfortable. He was able to keep an eye on the temperature in the place when he's 2.5 hours away from it. He wanted to make sure that his wife would come up more often because her air conditioning concerns are going to be handled now. The new system will be a lot quieter than the old one, and now he'll have full warranty on it as well. So he expects to own the place probably for another 20 years, and this will serve him. He'll likely never have to do anything with it again except turn it on and enjoy it.